Friends, in this video, I want to talk about all the crying and brouhaha that is going on after Saurabh Dwivedi's leaving of the channel London Top. But before getting into my views on this, on the reaction, public reaction of whatever has happened, let us look first into a brief introduction of Saurabh Dwivedi's career, educational and career highlights. Early education. He studied at Saraswati Shishu Mandir, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Sanatan Dharma Vidyalay and Jugal Devi Saraswati Vidya Mandir. Then after that, he earned his BSc in mathematics from Dayanand Vedic College, Orai. It's a small town in Uttar Pradesh. Then he did MA in Hindi literature from JNU, New Delhi. After that, he went on to earn his PG diploma in mass communication from IIMC Delhi. After that, he completed his MPhil from JNU in Hindi literature. These are his educational qualifications. Talking about his career highlights, he began with Star News as an intern. After that, he worked with Live India, Times Group, Navbharat Times, and Dainik Bhaskar. Then he became the senior editor at India Today Hindi. After that, when he became famous, was the time when he was one of the founder members of the London Top in 2016 as editor. The recent update for which uh, we are talking about him is that he is resigned in 2026 on 5th January. Now let me share my views on this. Hero worshipping of Saurabh Dwivedi. Since 5th of January, when Saurabh Dwivedi publicly announced that he was going to quit his job from London Top and India Today magazine, people on social media have gone gaga. He held editorial posts in both of these organizations. London Top is actually a child organization of the India Today group. Some people are grieving in a manner as if something untoward has happened in his life. Some people are mourning as if true journalism has ended in India. So, dear Saurabh lovers, I too like his journalistic style, but I don't worship him. And neither should any of you dive into this crazy level of hero worshipping of someone. Just treat him like any other good journalist who is sincere towards his or her profession, not as someone who is the fulcrum of journalism of the whole country. He is a really good professional. He became one of the most famous faces just because the India Today group showed trust in him and gave him decisive positions since the very beginning of their digital venture, which we now known as the London Top. Support good journalists, admire them, but don't hero worship anyone because in the long run it becomes counterproductive. You end up supporting every view of that person without applying your own rational thinking. Don't surrender your brain in front of anyone. Now, in his social media platforms, Saurabh Dwivedi has said that he is taking a short gap. Now we don't know how long will that gap run and what are his future plans regarding his career or whether he will be in his uh, journalistic uh, career will continue with some private company like this corporate news channels or he will go on to establish his own platform. All kind of predictions and analysis are being done by his admirers and the people who are engaged with him, but we don't know anything. So just hope for the best. He is a really good journalist, so keep supporting him.